Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, I'm unboxing one of our modern classics. This is the ASTRO A30 Lightspeed wireless headset. With legendary sound quality, great connection options, 27 hours of battery life, and more, these things seriously do it all. So let's get into it. After tearing off this tab, the inside slides out. And under this lift-up flap, we find a hard case and some documentation. Let's set all of this aside. When we unzip the hard case, we're greeted by the headphones, which we'll come back to. In the accessories pack, we find the boom mic, a USB-C charge cable, an aux cable for wired operation, and the Lightspeed dongle. For more information on how to get started with Lightspeed, be sure to check out our video on connecting your Lightspeed headset. Now, to the main event. Here are the ASTRO A30s. These things are phenomenal. They're compatible with your consoles, your computers, your smartphone, and more. The one I have here is the Xbox edition. We also sell PS5 and PC editions as well. They can connect via Lightspeed and Bluetooth simultaneously and monitor both sources. This is so useful, it's crazy. Taking a tour around the outside, on the right ear cup we have the power button, the Bluetooth button, a multifunction control, and the USB-C charge port. On the left ear, we have a mute switch, an aux port, a port for the boom mic, and an integrated mic. I love having the choice of mics. I can connect the boom for better audio on a stream, but it also allows me to take phone calls without the boom mic if I need to. I love the swivel ear cups, which allow them to fold flat in the case and also allow them to contour to your head for a nice secure fit. The ear cups are also super comfy and are held on magnetically. The headband is also adjustable, further ensuring a great fit. Under the customizable speaker tags, which are held on by magnets, we have this iridescent detail, which is really nice. Lastly, I wanted to talk about connectivity. Instead of simply switching sources between Bluetooth and Lightspeed, you can actually listen to both at the same time. Using the Logitech G mobile app, you can adjust the audio mix, EQ settings, and even monitor the mic. The level of control with these is honestly insane. You can hear your phone audio along with your game audio. I love flying with them because I can hear the game on my laptop and the in-flight movie playing on my phone at the same time, at whatever volume I want. On that note, be sure to check out our video on connecting your Lightspeed headset via Bluetooth. I love this headset. My personal set is this Mandalorian set. They have a lot of miles on them, but still work like the day I got them. I hope that answers any questions you had about this headset, what it's about, and what's in the box. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.